Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are exploring the concept of the point of tangency. This is the fascinating location where a straight line meets a perfect circle. First, let's recall what a circle is. It is a collection of points that are all the same distance from a central spot. The outer boundary is called the circumference. Understanding this curved edge is key to understanding how lines interact with it. A tangent is a very special kind of straight line. Unlike most lines that might chop right through a circle, a tangent line just barely touches it. It meets the circle's edge at exactly one single point, never crossing inside. That specific spot where they meet is called the point of tangency. It is unique because it is the only coordinate that the line and the circle share. At this exact location, the line runs perfectly flat against the curve. To see why this is special, compare it to a secant line. A secant line cuts through the circle, hitting it at two different points. A tangent line is different. It only touches at one. It is like the difference between stabbing an object and just resting your finger on it. Here is the most important rule in this topic. If you draw a radius from the center of the circle to that point of tangency, it will always create a 90-degree angle with the tangent line. They are perpendicular. Why does this happen? Think about distance. The radius is the shortest possible path from the center to the line. Any other path would have to reach further out to a secant point. Since the radius is the shortest distance, geometry tells us it must be perpendicular. You see this every day. Imagine a car wheel on a flat road. The wheel is the circle, and the road is the tangent line. The tire touches the pavement at just one patch at any given moment. That patch is the point of tangency. To wrap up, remember these three things. 1. A tangent touches a circle at only one point. 2. That spot is the point of tangency. And 3. The radius drawn to that point forms a perfect right angle with the line. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.